everyone. I am Wasif Azim, an assistant professor at the Center for Public Policy and Governance, CPPG, at Foreign Christian College University here in Lahore. And here I am at the fourth session on Zotero, which I am basically recording as a tutorial. Let me first try to revise our first three sessions quickly in English and then in Urdu so that everyone is able to understand. So there are three major steps that we have to follow. The very first thing is you go to Google simply and download Zotero. So you type Zotero and it's a free tool. It's a free software that is available and you simply download it. But there are two files that you have to download. One is that of Zotero for Windows. Second one is Zotero connector. So once you download Zotero connector, you will get an option to add this to Chrome. So you add Zotero connector to the Chrome. It will be added as an extension into Chrome. Second, you download the Zotero file. And once you have downloaded the Zotero file, you simply install it, right? So you simply click, double click it, then simply click next, standard download, and then next, and when you click finish. Once you have downloaded the Zotero software, you open it, and a window will kind of like come up to you, prop up to you. Then the second step that you do is that you first sync your account. So you make an account in Zotero. So you click set up syncing. And when you click it, it takes you to another window where you create an account. So you click create account, you add a username, an email, and a password. An email is sent to your Gmail account. You click that link there and it will say verified. So now you have an account in Zotero. You get back to the Zotero software and on the Zotero software, then you again click set up syncing, add your username and your password, and you are all set. The third step that we do is that we add sources into Zotero. So we basically build up a library in Zotero that we call, right? So in the Zotero app, here you see a library from where I was telling you that you can add new collection, you can add a sub collection as well. So if you have a collection, you can rename it, you can add a sub collection to it as well. So your main library has everything that you have saved in the Zotero as a library. So you take it as a digital library or a digital literature source for you. As I have already told you, PDFs are also saved there if PDFs are available on the websites that you were using. And you can have as many as collections and sub-collections in the Zotero. So once you have built up a library, then we will move into the next step. And if I would revise this in Urdu, सबसे पहला आपने ये काम करना होता है that you आप पहले उसको गूगल पे जाते हैं और Zotero टाइप कर लेते हैं, Zotero सॉफ्टवेयर को डाउनलोड कर लेते हैं, Zotero कनेक्टर को भी साथ में डाउनलोड कर देते हैं, Zotero कनेक्टर को आप क्लिक करते हैं ताकि उसको आप ऐड कर सके गूगल क्रोम पे, तो वो एज एन एक्सटेंशन वहाँ पे ऐड हो जाता है। जब आप सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड कर लेते हैं उसको आप क्लिक करें, डबल क्लिक करें, नेक्स्ट क्लिक करेंगे, स्टैंडर्ड पे क्लिक करेंगे और फिर डबल नेक्स्ट करेंगे, Zotero आपके पास इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा। जब आपने Zotero को इंस्टॉल कर लिया है, अब आपके पास तीसरा स्टेप आ जाता है, सेकंड स्टेप आ जाता है। Zotero को विंडो पे एक जगह लिखा है सेटअप सिंकिंग। सेटअप सिंकिंग को आपने क्या करना है, क्लिक करना है, वहां पे जाके आपने एक यूजर नेम, ईमेल और पासवर्ड देना है। आपको एक जीमेल अकाउंट पे, ईमेल पे आपको एक लिंक आ जाएगा, उस लिंक को आपने क्लिक करना है और उस लिंक को जब आप क्लिक कर लेंगे तो आपका जो अकाउंट है वो वेरीफाई हो जाएगा, या आप यूँ समझ लें आपका अकाउंट क्रिएट हो जाएगा। जब आपने अपने अकाउंट क्रिएट कर लिया है, उसके बाद आप उस विंडो को क्लोज कर लेंगे और Zotero सॉफ्टवेयर पे आके अपना यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड ऐड कर देंगे और आपकी सिंकिंग हो जाएगी। सिंकिंग का फायदा बेसिकली ये होगा कि जो चीज़ें आप सेव करते हैं Zotero में, वो उसमें सेव होती जाएंगी। जो तीसरा आपका स्टेप होगा वो ये है कि आप ने अब अपनी लाइब्रेरी क्रिएट करनी है। यहाँ पे लाइब्रेरी है, उस लाइब्रेरी पे आप राइट क्लिक करते हैं तो आप कलेक्शंस बना सकते हैं और एक एक कलेक्शन के अंदर फिर जब आप आगे क्लिक करते हैं तो आप सब कलेक्शन भी बना सकते हैं। आपकी लाइब्रेरी में अब आपने इंटरनेट से जो भी आप रीडिंग करते हैं, लिटरेचर पढ़ते हैं, वो रिपोर्ट हो, वो आर्टिकल हो, वो किताब हो, जो भी है, उसको आपने लाइब्रेरी के अंदर सेव करना है। आप यूँ समझ लें कि ये आपकी डिजिटल ज़ोटेरो की लाइब्रेरी है, जैसे हमारे पास लाइब्रेरीज होती है जहाँ पे किताबें और आर्टिकल्स पड़ी होती है। अगर एक पीडीएफ अवेलेबल है तो जोटेरो उस पीडीएफ को भी साथ में सेव करता जाएगा। यहाँ पे आप एक एग्जांपल देख सकते हैं। अगर मैं इसको डबल क्लिक करूँ तो ये पीडीएफ भी इसके साथ क्या हो जाएगा, ओपन हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इसके साथ एक पीडीएफ ऑलरेडी अटैच था। कर ले देखिए, मैं इसको डबल क्लिक करता हूँ तो ये पीडीएफ भी इसके साथ ही ऑटोमेटिकली क्या हो जाता है, ओपन हो जाता है। जब आपने अपनी लाइब्रेरी बना ली है, फर्ज करें आपने 2 4 6 8 10 जितनी भी आपने आइटम्स उसमें सेव करनी है, मैंने मेरे लाइब्रेरी में अराउंड 800 या इतनी के करीब सोर्सेज में ऐड कर चुका हूँ। वो आप आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उसमें ऐड करते जाते हैं। जब आप उसमें से सारा कुछ ऐड कर लेते हैं तो उसके बाद फिर हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे चलते हैं, जो कि हमारा चौथा स्टेप है। And from there onward, we are going to add citations into our documents. For example, you then come into the Microsoft Word. और यहाँ पे आपको Microsoft Word में you must be able to see this tag of Zotero. Zotero automatically, I mean, comes into what we call MS Word, right? So automatically a tab is added into the MS Word, which is of Zotero. It must be here. If it is not, that means that there is a problem, right? So यहाँ पे ये Zotero का tab आपके पास आ जाना चाहिए, ठीक है? Let's say कि we are you are typing your thesis or article or whatever else you call it, and let's suppose we have Pakistan is a multi-ethnic state. For example, this is an argument, and you want to add citation to it. आप आएंगे Zotero पे, you will click on Zotero and then you will add or edit citation. It's here. बिल्कुल आपके on the extreme left. You will click this and here you will get a list of citation styles जो कि normally use हो चुकी हो. For example, these are one which I have used. Let's suppose you want to add American Sociological, Psychological, Chicago Manual, 18th edition, 17th, everyone is available here. If it is not available here, you have to click Manage Styles. And in Manage Style, you say Get Additional Styles. So once you click this additional styles, it will take a bit of a time. Around 10,729 styles are saved in Zotero currently. And what you have to do is you have to search the style which you want. For example, you want Chicago style. So you type Chicago here and you will see every Chicago manual style is available here. If university wants, for example, Chicago 17th edition, you click it, you click it and it will come up here, right? And that means that now you can use Chicago Manual Style 17th edition. Every style is available here. So it's more than 10,000 sciences, social science, anthropology, sociology, whatever style, जो भी style होगा वो यहाँ पे आपके पास available हो जाता है. अब आप यहाँ पे when you click here add our citation, जो आपका style है it is here. You click that and you click OK. And here a window will pop up. You can search the library here. It's very easy to search the library. You use keywords, author name, first name, author last name. You add the name of the book, you add the year when it was published, and so on and so forth. For example, if I type ethnic, I'll get, let's suppose if I want to add in 2007, I will click it here. For example, I'm just giving examples, okay? For example, it is another one, ethnicity and politics in Pakistan. You can add it. You can add more than one sources as well. So normally you will need 2 or 3 or 4 sources for a single argument. एक argument के लिए आप एक से ज्यादा sources आराम से यहाँ पे ऐड कर सकते हैं. आप एक एक को सर्च करते जाए. When you are done, you simply click enter. You have to click enter. Enter आप दबाएंगे और आपके पास आपकी जो साइटेशन है इन टेक्स्ट साइटेशन, वी कॉल दिस इन टेक्स्ट साइटेशन. एक आपकी नोट्स वाली साइटेशन होती है, फुट नोट्स पे आती है. एक आपकी टेक्स्ट के अंदर की साइटेशन होती है अदर डेट वाले स्टाइल की. तो ये इन टेक्स्ट की अदर डेट की साइटेशन आ गई. अगर आप इसको फुट नोट की साइटेशन करते हैं, आई कैन ऑल्सो शो यू दैट, वो भी हम कर सकते हैं. Right? For example, let's add more to it. Let's suppose if we say gender is, for example, gender is significant, and you want to add citation to it. So you click add or edit citation. You come here, you click this. For example, you want to add another source as well. let's suppose you can click this one. You want to add another one. Let's assume you want to add a third one. Okay, and then you click enter. So Zotero will simply add that citation here. You can add as many as you want, right? So once you are done with the whole document, जब आपने पूरे document में अपनी सारी citation कर ली, list हम बाद में generate करेंगे. One important thing that we can add further here as well, और वो ये है कि अगर आप पेज नंबर ऐड करना चाहते हैं तो आप लेट्स सपोज हम एडिनी 2007 पे क्लिक करते हैं, फिर हम वापस आते हैं ऐड और एडिट citation. Remember this tab is for adding as well as editing the citation. So you click it and then you click Edini 2007. When you click on that, this appears. And the very first thing is page. So for example, it was page 109. So you add 109 here. And then you click, for example, then you click enter. So now you can see here, it's Edini 2007 109, which means that Edini 2007 is the book, and page number for that is, or an article, page number for that is 109. You can add a sequence of a page as well. For example, you say, you click it again. It is, you want the reader to read page 109 to page 111. So you add 109-111 and then you click enter. And once you click enter, you see it's here now, 109 to 111. So you can add page number as well. You can add page number very easily. Ahmad, for example, you want to add with this one. You click edit citation. You come here, you click A1, you click, for example, 25-35, and then you click enter. And then you see the page number automatically is added with A1 here, 25 to 35. This is how we build up, we add citations. So you write and then you cite, you write and then you cite. Articles, everything that you have saved in the library. Remember, you have to save it in the library, and I have already shown you that you come up here. You, for example, want to add any book on, let's suppose if it is this one, the book is here, it is with you, you want to add it to the library. So you simply click it from here, extensions, and in extensions you have to click Zotero, and Zotero will add this here to your library, and then you can use it here as well. Once you are done with it, the very last tip that we normally use is, let's suppose we are at the end of the dissertation, हम बिल्कुल अपनी thesis article के end पे चले गए हैं, and we want to add the list. We can simply add the list here. You come again to Zotero. Zotero में आप इस बार bibliography पर click करें. Do not click on citation. Now click on bibliography. And once you click on bibliography, आपकी पूरी list जो है ना वो automatically यहाँ पे generate हो जाएगी. This is alphabetical order, because जो style है वो alphabetical order इसी तरह ही है. If it is another style, you would be able to see others as well. Just one last thing before I close this and move to the next session. Then just one more thing. If later on, for example, you wrote 100 pages thesis or 200 pages thesis, और अब आप ऊपर जाके एक जगह पे कोई और चीज ऐड करना चाहते हैं, एक और सोर्स ऐड करना चाहते हैं, देयर इज नो वरी, यू कैन ऐड अनदर सोर्स एज वेल. फॉर एग्जांपल, बिल्कुल आखिर में खत्म करके आपको लगा कि Edini 2007 और अहमद 1998 के साथ एक और सोर्स भी कैन बी एडेड. सो यू कम अप हियर, क्लिक ऑन दिस प्लेस, देन क्लिक ऐड citation, एंड यहाँ पे you can add another person as well. For example, you click this and you want to add another one as well. That isn't an issue. You can add another one as well. For example, I click this and I enter it. You don't have to add it to the list here. ये automatically उस list में add होता जाएगा. List खुद ही automatically, the list is updated. You don't have to update it. So you add up there, and automatically the list will be in the bibliography will be updated. In the next video, I'll show you how can we change different styles when we are done with the document. We don't need Chicago. We want to convert the whole document of 300, 400, 500 pages into, for example, a Howard style, into, for example, the note style, into, for example, APA style. How can we do that with a simple small step?